Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful macrame wall hanging design ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is frames. So viewers, macrame is an art that uses cannot instead of knitting or spinning with only cotton cord and a few simple knots. You can create beautiful wall decoration that look elegant and unique. One of the most popular designs is the classic boho wall hanging block cotton cord hang from a wooden branch or tower. Dowels creating soft pattern with the square knot and spiral knot. This towel design look beautiful above a bed, sofa, and a fireplace. Viewers and people of nature try leaf pattern wall hanging different shade of cream create beautiful leaves that bring the beauty of nature indoors. This design is perfect for living room and reading corners. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Diamond pattern wall hanging. Friends, another favorite, large diamond shape. Create a clean and modern look. This style makes simple home decor and easy to costumes with different colors. And friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so friends, Allah.